Alright, YouTube. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to test your glow plug relay. And it's this little bad boy right here. This guy right here has 12 volts constant all the time. When you turn on your ignition and the little wait to start button turns on, this should have 12 volts as well. And if it doesn't, this little relay right here is bad. Let's see, I'll go ahead and have my little multimeter here. Turn it to DC volts. As you can see, it has 12.3. The ignition off, it has 0. Alright, Tyler, go ahead and turn it to run. As you can see, it doesn't work. Now, if you guys are ever in a situation, you know, in the ice cold, you could actually get a set of jumper cables and jump from right here to right there temporarily for about 10-15 seconds, just so your truck will start properly without having to use ether. There we go.